You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 77, creating child object types. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. As you can see, I am logged in using my primary account. We'll click on Assets and then we'll click on Asset Management. And now let's move ahead. On Asset Management, click on Software Asset and then click on plus sign. Here, new object type, we are going to give the name as License Software, and in icon we are going to select Software Installer icon. Parent is Software Asset, and description we are going to give that object type for tracking software that requires valid license. Click on Create. Again, we are going to perform the same step. Next to Software Asset, click on plus sign, and this time this is going to be unlicensed software. So we'll write here unlicensed software. Icon is again going to be Software Installer. Parent is Software Asset. Description is object type. Description is object type for tracking software installed without a license. Click on Create. So now under Software, we have two objects created, and these are licensed software and unlicensed software. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.